How to find and access TikTok Shop. Fix TikTok Shop not showing. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to find and access the TikTok Shop. And if you're facing the issue where TikTok Shop isn't showing, we've got some quick fixes for that too. So let's jump right in and get your TikTok shopping experience set up the right way. First, for those who might be unfamiliar, TikTok Shop is a feature that allows you to shop directly through the app, finding everything from beauty products to fashion, gadgets, and more, all without leaving TikTok. It's a super convenient way to discover new products from your favorite creators and brands. But sometimes you might not see the TikTok Shop on your app, so let's talk about how you can find it. The first thing to check is whether TikTok Shop is even available in your country or region. TikTok Shop is still rolling out in many parts of the world, so it might not be available everywhere just yet. Go to settings in the TikTok app, scroll down to content preferences or region, check your current region. If TikTok Shop isn't available in your region, it's probably while you're not seeing it. Unfortunately, there is no way to force the shop to appear if it hasn't launched in your area yet, but TikTok is expanding it so it may be available soon. Next, let's make sure your TikTok app is up to date. TikTok frequently adds new features, and if your app is updated or outdated, you might not see TikTok Shop at all. Simply open Google's Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok, and if there's an update button, simply tap on it and wait for the process to complete. Updating your app ensures you get the latest features, including TikTok Shop. Once the app is updated, check again to see if the shop appears. Now that your app is updated and you're sure TikTok Shop is available in your region, let's talk about how to actually find the TikTok Shop section. Open the TikTok app and go to your home feed. Scroll to the right until you see the shop icon at the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a shopping bag or a cart. Once you tap the shop icon, you'll be able to browse different products, check out collections, and even see live shopping events from your favorite influencers. If none of the above steps work, the last thing you can try is uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app. You can simply uninstall TikTok from your phone and simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and simply reinstall TikTok and log into your account and check for TikTok Shop again. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to find and access TikTok Shop.